Hello, everyone. Good day to all of you. I am here to present to you my research study regarding decision factors in stock trading. But before I begin, I would like to introduce myself, the researcher and the author of this study. I'm Jasmin Jimenez, a master's graduate of Business Administration from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and a certified public accountant since 2010. I previously worked as an audit associate in Akyatan and Company CPAs, and I am previously worked as an investment analyst in JG Summit Holdings Inc. from the years 2012 to 2016. I am now currently affiliated with Infinum Incorporated, a family business consulting firm, and serving as a senior manager of the Management Advisory Group. Going back to the presentation, we all know that every investor is cautious to the stock they want to trade. To come up with a viable decision, investor analyze stocks based on the qualitative and quantitative aspects of the companies, such as the management concern, sector, technical, and quantitative analysis. In this study, the researcher determined how important and how often these factors should be considered as it affects the investor's decision in stock trading. The researcher also identified the problems that the investor may encounter and suggested solutions that can be recommended in addressing these problems. For the research methodology, the descriptive survey method was used. The instrument used is an adapted standardized survey questionnaire to gather the data from the respondents of the study. The data were tested at zero point zero 0.05 level of significance, frequency, percent distribution, weighted mean, one-way analysis of variance, t-test of variance, and ranking were employed as statistical tools. The result of the demographic profile of the respondents revealed that out of 380 respondents, 282 or 74.2% fell under the age bracket of below 24 to 35 years old, and predominantly male with 227 or 59.7% of the total respondents, and majority were college graduate of 288 out of 380 respondents, or 75.8%. When it comes to jump rank or position, the respondents are predominantly managers. 121 or 31.8% were earning an average monthly income of more than 50,000 pesos, and 255 or 67.1% are investing for the purpose of long-term investment. 98 or 25.8% of which had been investing below 1 year, with majority investing in blue chip stocks, or about at 239 or 62.9% of the total respondents. Now, the respondents revealed or assessed the level of importance of the management concern, technical, and quantitative values analysis was assessed as very important, while the sector analysis was important. In terms of the extent of usage, management concern, technical sector, and quantitative analysis were frequently used as a stock decision factors. When grouped by respondents, when grouped by respondents' demographic profiles and perceptions, their assessment is significantly different on level of importance in management concerns, but varies in on the other factors. As for the extent of usage, when grouped by sex, higher education, years of investing, the assessment were all in agreement in all the factors, except by age. purpose, and monthly income. Based on the result, based on the result and conclusion, the following recommendations were suggested. Stock brokerage firms should start introducing the online stock trading to the older group of investors to bring them back on the stock trading. Some of the older aged investors are unaware or have lack of knowledge on online stock trading. Another recommendation is that stock investors and potential investors should search for webinars and attend other seminars to be conducted by stock brokerage firms or stock experts, which would capture the different factors one should consider when investing in stock market. What, how, and why these factors should be considered. The contribution and impact of this factor in decision making. The academe should provide a separate session, discussion, or seminars for the students to provide guidance and insight on what other forms of investment that they may engage in aside from the salaries that they may earn in the future. Quality management, quality management assessment, operational credits appear to be the most inaccessible or unavailable item for decision-making reference. The investor uses this. Thus, it was recommended that on the annual financial report, company history, achievement, and contribution of the current key management personnel should be included. These are the references that I search or the use these are the references that I use in order to make the study whole. For further inquiries or question or concern, you may contact me on the following email address and contact number. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.